Everyone, and welcome back to Rosetta Vera. This is Danielle. I'm here today with a collective haul. My voice sounds a little funny because I'm actually sick, so I'm going to try to get through this as quick as possible. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this rubber stamper that I got from Artscow. I normally buy or make labels for the back of my cards, but I decided just to pick up a rubber stamper that I could put the name and the website address just for ease. Artscow has a lot of sales, so I didn't pay too much for this. I want to say I paid less than $10, so I'll put a link to that in the description box. The next thing I want to talk about are these alcohol markers that I got during Tonic's Black Friday sale. So they had 30 alcohol markers for less than $24, and they come in packs of 3. So these are the Tonic Nouveau alcohol markers. So I got Indigo Ink, Irish Clover, Marina Blues, Palma Violets, Pebble Beach. Then I got Apricot Ombre, Aquamarine, Cookies and Cream, Coral Reef, and Honey Amber. So I'm probably going to take all of these out of the package and swatch them, and maybe do a swatch video for that I'll post in a couple of weeks. So be sure to check that out. The next thing I want to talk about, let me just move these to the side, are some stamps I picked up from Unity Stamp. They also had a Black Friday sale, so I picked up 4 different stamps. So the first one is a 2-piece set. It's a library card and pocket, and it says, "Well, check you out." So you get 2 pieces there. The next one is a cassette tape and a sentiment, and it says, "You are the music in me." So again, you get 2 pieces there. The next one is just 1 stamp, and it is 2 pieces of bread and a toaster, and it's called We're Toast. It says a couple other things there too, but I'll just refrain from that. And then the last one was just a stamp that is actually a camera. I've been really into cameras lately, as you'll see in some of the other items I picked up. So that's everything I purchased from Unity Stamp. And then they also sent a gift item, which is a couple of tags here, and then a stamp that says "Treasure every happy memory." So that's everything from Unity Stamp. Let's see what else I've got here. I stopped in Five Below and picked up this sketchbook. Sometimes I like having hardcover sketchbooks for things that are a little more personal and more like drafts of projects that I want to finish later. So this was $5. I did purchase another one that my daughter has confiscated for herself. So I'm going to have to repurchase it for myself, and I'll probably do that in another haul at some point. So that's that. The other stamps I picked up were from Picket. So I picked up 6 stamps here. So as I mentioned before, I've kind of been into cameras, so let me start with those first. They're all different girls in the Picket Fence series. So this is Isabella, sorry. The next one is Corin Girl. The next one after that, I believe, is Marty Girl. I also picked up Kendall Girl. Let's see, Kiki Girl. And then the last one is Molly Girl. And the item that they gave as a gift was this brush. I'm going to have to play with this a little bit. My experience with brushes like this are more in the makeup world. I haven't used these for art projects, so I guess I need to go look at a couple of videos here on YouTube to kind of see how I would use this. Picket Fence also released some new stamps in December, and there's another girl that I'd like to pick up with headphones. So I'll definitely be adding to Picket Fence at some point. And then the last couple items I picked up were from Hobby Lobby. I don't go to Hobby Lobby often, but I was in there doing something for work, so I noticed they had a paper studio sale where everything was half off, and that sale is still ongoing. So I picked up, that's really interesting. Those bags are definitely, looks like it's a different amount in each. So I picked up 2 packages of cards and envelopes. These are 4 by 5.5. So this is ivory and this is craft. I normally like to create cards in white or ivory, but every now and then I do like to use craft. I think it goes along with certain papers really nicely. So these were $3.50 each. I also picked up this 6x6 paper pad from Paper Studio. In there, I believe the collection is called OL. There's 20 designs, 3 pages each. So just a quick flip through on some of the pages in there. There's a lot of foil on these pages, which is what made it stand out to me. Of course, I'm not seeing foil as I'm flipping through, but there's some foil there. There's some foil here with the succulents. So that kind of stood out to me. That's very modern and girly. So I have some ideas of what I could do with this. And the little lipsticks have foil. And then also from that OL there, I picked up this stamp set, which is called Bossy. And then this other one that's called Girls. So this brought a lot of ideas to mind of cards for your girlfriends, you know, sister, mother, auntie, that I could do with these. So I'm looking forward to using these. And then there were some coordinating stickers. These here are puffy stickers and stickabilities. And there's another set here. And then there were some other stickabilities that I picked up that were on sale, in the half off sale. These succulents here. This one here. Let's see. And these all kind of go with the OL color scheme. And I'm not saying they're from that collection, but they all kind of match. So this is camels, donuts, and this just says puffy. And then I picked up 2 more, these mermaids and these food puffy stickers. So the mermaids have glitter on them. So I believe that's everything from this collective haul. Again, I had stuff from Hobby Lobby. I had stuff from Tonic. I had stuff from Unity Stamp and Picket Fence. So thank you again for stopping by. If you like my content, please subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.